in this video, we're going to see some footage of the Mercedes that I got rid of, and you'll see why. It's not really the reason I got rid of it, but to be honest with you, I like all cars. Excuse me, for the most part. Yeah, I got rid of it. I bought a Jeep. In the next video, or coming up, you'll see a video of the Jeep. It's already on social media, so some of you probably already know I have it. I bought a red Jeep after this, and then I bought a black Jeep after that. So anyway, that's another story. Red Jeep didn't have a Hemi, and I like black better, so I bought a same model, newer Jeep, bigger motor, had the spec I wanted, couldn't pass it up. So I didn't even own that red Jeep long enough to matter really. Yeah. So anyway, this Mercedes is gone. I did coilovers on it. I just kind of cleaned it up, made it a nice daily. I traded up. I got a good deal on the trade-in, so it is what it is. I'm happier now. But I figured I'd upload this video anyway and show y'all what I was dealing with, because it was kind of funny. And the cool thing is some of the footage is pretty old, so you get to see my doggy dog when she was just a little puppy. And she's not a puppy anymore. Come here. Come here, sweetie. No, over here. Yeah, you gotta be on it. Oh, that's dog face. There she is. Oh, she wants to play. She wants to play. Just wants to play now. She's biting me. Hey, don't bite. There, see? Go get your toy. Anyway, I'm gonna play with the dog. Y'all enjoy the footage, and we'll see you soon. Just to give an update, I'm never buying a German car again. This is insane. I don't understand why I have to take apart the entire back of the car to get to the shock mounts. It's crazy. So I got all this stuff out so far, and now I have to take these panels off in order to get this panel off on both sides of this thing, and then I'm finally ready to do this stupid job I set out to do in the first place. So we're keeping at it. We'll get it here. I really don't think this will come out unless I take the top piece off, so I guess we're doing that. Let's go. All right, this is getting kind of out of hand, Mercedes. We have to take apart my whole entire trunk just to get to the top mount of these shocks. So I have to pull this bolt off to get this panel off so I can get these things off in order to get to the shock. So I can take those off and replace them with those over there. So yeah, anyway, that's what we're doing right now. Underway. There's a new co-star on the show. Her name's Callie, or Khaleesi. We call her Callie for short. She's a good dog. She's 13 months, just a puppy, but you guys will see her a lot too. She's not going anywhere. Anyway, let's get back at it. Got that piece off. Putting it on there. All right. Now, will this move? Oh, come on. What is holding it in? Nothing? Oh, this is annoying. What are you doing? You want to help out? Well, let's see here. Still. Okay, there's like a thing. There's a thing. Oh my goodness, this is ridiculous. You know, like algebra just to take apart this trunk piece. It's crazy. Algebra. Come on! Okay, so this has to come out. Unless I break this off here. Or maybe it'll go down, come up. Oh, this is nuts. Nuts. Alright, I guess I just have to take this whole box out. I didn't want to do that. We're gonna have to. No choice. It's way bigger. I think it's 10 millimeter. What do you know? It is. That's how we do it here. What? There's more? How? This is crazy. What are you eating? What is that? What is that? A leaf? What are you doing with the leaf? You're a goofball. Well, so this is like somehow secretly, is it bolted down in here? Gosh dang it. I figured it out. All right, well, round 2 then, I guess. At least they're all the same size. Hey, Callie, no. Good girl, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to yell at you. Don't do that. You can't chew on that, come here. Good girl. Oops. Come here. Hey, Callie, Khaleesi. You know you're not supposed to, there you go. You good dog. You good dog. She's learning. She already knows a bunch of stuff. Hey, Callie, come here. I taught her some pretty cool things. Like this. Callie, sit. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Look how good of a dog you are. You're such a good dog. It's only been a few days. I got her like not even a week ago. So she's still learning. Callie. Hey, Callie. No. Good girl. See, you don't have to yell at her. I should put stuff in here. I don't know what I would put in here because I don't have stuff that I need to put in here. Oh yeah, money. Money. Woo, baby. We got it out. All right. Now don't eat it. Don't eat those things. Those are not for eating. Come here. What is that? I have a little mini battery. Hey, Callie, that's come on, come here. Callie, no, no, good girl, come on. No, no, not that either. Hey, come on, come over here. Good girl. Can you sit? Can you sit down? Callie, sit. Sit, sweetheart. Sit. No, that's not, that's standing up. What, that's, come on. Come on now. Hey, sit. Get down. Sit. Callie. Come here. Sit. Sit down. Good girl. Good girl, sweetheart. Yeah, that's a good listener. Okay, chew on me. Fine. But what the heck is this? What is this little dinky Mercedes Benz? Is that what powers my whole vehicle? Anyway, this piece should come off now. Whatever the heck is going on back there, I don't know. That was weird. What a weird panel. All right, now that I've got my entire trunk disassembled, so I can put suspension on the car. What is going on here, Germany? This is insane. All right, well, maybe next month we'll get the rest of this disassembled and finish this job finally. Alright, so here's the paint job we did on the front. It's all chipping all over. It's because it was a little wet out when I did it. It didn't really cure that well, so I'm gonna sand that off and redo it. The wrap's holding up pretty well. A couple rock chips, but that's what happens when you go 90 on the highway, or whatever the speed limit is. I'll do a quick walk around. Need to re-wrap these headlights still. That's like old wrap from previous owner. I have stuff to redo it, I just haven't gotten around to it yet. Stay tuned for that. This side panel was already wrapped, so I left that alone. And then we redid the tail lights. Just a couple little pieces that aren't perfect, but whatever. It's kind of sloppy. Here's the rear bumper, a couple little chips. This was a pain in the ass to wrap because of these bubbles here. Hard to get to. So whatever, it's not perfect, but it looks good. Did the job. A couple little pieces that are coming off after a while. For the most part, turned out all right. Not upset for how quick I did it. Didn't take any panels off. It's kind of like sloppy, lazy way to wrap it, but whatever. Got her done. But yeah, not horrible. Not bad at all. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Like, subscribe, follow, do all that good stuff. I guess there's no follow button here, so subscribe, like, share, whatever. That video kind of ended abruptly. Like, Callie just abruptly interrupted. No interrupting, Callie. We're videotaping. We can't. Okay, so hold on. Callie, we don't bark inside. She knows better. She's being a brat. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. Yeah, I put coilovers on that Mercedes. Got rid of it, like I was saying earlier. Got a new car, Jeep, coming soon. You'll see videos on that. Next video coming up, we're going to, it'll be uploaded soon because I'm kind of doing both of these at the same time, editing wise. But yeah, I'll do a little intro on the Jeep, show you the spec, all the fun options and some of the plans I have for it in the future. And we'll be doing a little cruise with the dog, and she's all grown up in the next video, so that's kind of funny. You'll see her when she's a puppy, and you'll see her as she is right now. So anyway, thanks again. Peace out. See y'all.